right. So thanks for everyone for joining the first all hands meeting of 2018. Now to Bruno and Aviva, sort of as our mini keynote speakers, to talk a little bit about what is L2, and then Aviva talking about L1. Bruno, as our new executive chairman, I can let you kind of take over and talk a little bit about your new role.
I tell people that out of last week, I promoted myself to chairman, and I promoted Aviva Friedman to CEO, therefore freeing up 80% of my time for new venture in the crypto field. The main feeling for me has been a feeling of pride and gratitude. As I'm looking at the team that we built together, the quality of each tiger, whether it's an executive tiger, a management tiger, or an essential tiger, everybody else in the company is essential to our enterprise. Aviva is terrific luck we have to have found each other, the organization and her. She has ambition for what we want to do as a team and high expectation for all of you.
Thank you, Bruno, for what you said about me and about all the tigers, about the company that you built, and that we are fortunate enough to continue and hopefully continue and move forward and do even better.
Although I will talk less and reserve most of my interaction with our CEO, I want to make sure that nobody understands that as a lack of interest in Larvol 1. What's important in an organization is to have clear leadership. You don't want two cooks in the kitchen. We want only one leader in an organization. If not, it creates chaos. My role is to coach and mentor Aviva, and she will do well, by the way, even without that coaching. I have full confidence of it.
Without one of you, we're not going to be able to get there together. We all have to work as a team to really reach this goal. And again, the sales team's on the front line, but they can't do it without the rest of us really supporting them and making sure that we have, very strong products.
So Bruno, do you want to lead us?
Okay, so we're going to do the biggest roar we can, okay? I want the neighbors to worry about us. I want the babies to wake up. I want the pets to freak out. 3, 2, 1. Go Tigers.
Thanks, everyone.
1-5 plus. Bye-bye.